Good morning. It is Wednesday, December 3rd. Today is literally same shit, different day, but a little more so. So I actually do a tarot reading for myself every morning, and I got the exact same cards that I got yesterday with a different deck. So exactly the same as yesterday. But today, the moon is actually making more aspects. So we still have this energy of like, I'm tired, I want to break free, I want to expand, I want to go back to a time when things were simpler. But our subconscious is still in this space of like, but what ifs? How would I survive if I did that? How could I make enough money? Things like that. Now, the moon is going to make sextiles to both Jupiter and Saturn. So you may be running these things through your mind of like, how would I do this? How could I continue to move forward if I were to make these changes? And then when the moon hits Uranus, you could have like an aha moment that like shows you that it really is time to make a change. Or you could even just kind of hit a wall and be like, you know what, fuck this shit, I'm out. But then when the moon moves into Gemini later tonight, the rulership switches over to Mercury and Scorpio. This is where your fears could start bubbling up and you could start going, oh shit, what did I do? What ifs get really strong here. That fear of survivability and can you really do this really can start to take over that subconscious. And that is okay because we're going to work through that and process that with the full moon tomorrow, which I will do a separate video about. But today, really pay attention to what comes up for you when it comes to where you think you need to make changes, where you need to expand and change, and maybe throw a little caution to the wind. That Uranus being that kind of full energy of like taking a leap of faith there when it comes to finances. Remember, Uranus and Taurus makes things very uncomfortable. We've got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable.